In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Miro board in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Miro.com and create an account on it. Input right here your work email, and then from in there you can also use your Gmail and proceed to sign up for free. Now, if you already have an account like I did, proceed to click on this login and then just log in into your actual account. You need to also have an account on Microsoft in order to access your Microsoft Teams. Now, from in there, let's head over to our Miro. Here is my board right here. So what we can do is we just need to first install the Miro app in your Teams. So for example, you can click on this tools, media and integrations, and you can see all of these things right there. You can head over and then search in here for Teams. And in here, you can add team members to your canvas, or you can directly just head over and then integrate it for this. You can head over and click on these three dots. And from there, head over to the settings of the board and you can see these options that we have right here. So for this case, you can directly edit it or view it as a screen bar or as an interactive display. You can also prefer this accessibility and change its view, edit, and board settings. You also have the option to share it, so click on this share option and it will be shared to your team. But if you want to embed it into your teams, click on this embed and then make sure that the board is not private. You can choose right here the start area where it will be shown. Click onto this copy code. If you chose embed code option right here, proceed to click on this copy and then proceed to post it into your actual Microsoft Teams in order to let people see this particular board. You can also head over and then on your team, just head over and add Miro on your actual application in order to embed it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.